Unit 2. My House. Page 16. Getting Started. A Look Inside. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Wow! Your room looks so big, Nick.
It's Elena's room. She's my sister.
I see. Is there a TV behind you?
Yes, there is. Where do you live, Me?
I live in a townhouse. And you?
I live in a country house. Who do you live with?
My parents and younger brother. We're moving to a flat next month.
Are you?
Yes, my aunt lives near there, and I can play with my cousin.
Are there many rooms in your new flat?
Yes, there are. There's a living room, 3 bedrooms, a kitchen, and 2 bathrooms.